In the name of Allah, the most kind, merciful, and beneficent. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to online class again. Hope you all will be fine. This is our lecture number 8 of English. And the topics we shall discuss in this lecture are from English A, we shall do chapter number 4, that is an exhibition, and we shall do translation from page number 20 and 21. Then from English B, we shall discuss application and essay. First of all, chapter number 4, an exhibition, translation, page number 20 and 21. Here are the words. You have to write these meanings on the paragraph. Everybody, हर एक, mum, खामोश, uttered, बोला, word, loves, all this while, सारे वक्त में, wrong, मसला, spoken, बोले, anything, कुछ भी. Here is the paragraph in front of us. Everybody in the class said one thing or the other, but one boy said mum all the time. He had not uttered a word all this while. What's wrong with you today, Salim? Said Mr. Kazi to this boy. You have not spoken today. Didn't you like anything in the exhibition? Salim said, Sir, I have been collecting stamps for quite some time now, and I didn't see stamps in the exhibition. Now focus on the translation. Everybody, हर एक, in the class, जमात में, said, कहा, one thing or the other, कुछ न कुछ, but, लेकिन, one boy, एक लड़का, sat, बैठा रहा, mum, खामोश, all the time, सारा वक्त. जमात में हर एक ने कुछ न कुछ कहा, लेकिन एक लड़का सारा वक्त खामोश बैठा रहा. ही, उसने, हैड नॉट अटर्ड, ना बोला, अ वर्ड, एक लफ्ज भी, ऑल दिस वाइल, सारे वक्त में. उसने सारे वक्त में एक लफ्ज भी ना बोला. व्हाट्स रॉन्ग, क्या मसला है, विद, साथ, यू, तुम्हारे, टुडे, आज, सलीम, सलीम, आज तुम्हारे साथ क्या मसला है, सलीम. सैड, कहा, मिस्टर काजी ने, टू दिस बॉय, उस लड़के से. मिस्टर काजी ने उस लड़के से कहा, यू, तुम, हैव नॉट स्पोकन, कुछ ना बोले, टुडे, आज तुम कुछ ना बोले. डिडेंट यू लाइक, क्या तुम्हें पसंद नहीं आया, एनीथिंग, कुछ भी, इन द एग्जीबिशन, नुमाइश में, क्या तुम्हें नुमाइश में कुछ भी पसंद नहीं आया, क्वेश्चन मार्क. सलीम, सैड, ने कहा, सर, जनाब, आई हैव बीन कलेक्टिंग, मैं इकट्ठी कर रहा हूँ, स्टैम्प्स, टिकटें, फॉर क्वाइट सम टाइम, कुछ अरसे से, नाउ, अब. सलीम ने कहा, जनाब, मैं कुछ अरसे से टिकटें इकट्ठी कर रहा हूँ. एंड, और, आई, मैंने, डिडेंट सी, नहीं देखी, स्टैम्प्स, टिकटें, इन द एग्जीबिशन, नुमाइश में, और मैंने नुमाइश में कोई टिकट नहीं देखी. Here are the meanings of another paragraph. Said, कहा, right, ठीक, there, वहाँ, stall, stall, stamps, टिकटें, popular, मशहूर, हॉबी, मशगला, सरप्राइज, हैरान कुन, एवरीबॉडी, हर कोई, लुक्ड, नज़र आया, एंशियस, बेचैन, लेट्स, चलो, एग्जीबिशन, नुमाइश, ब्रिंग, लेकर आए, ऑन कलेक्शन, अपना ज़ख़ीरा. Here is another paragraph. Mr. Kazi said, yes, you are right. There was no stall of stamps there. It is a very popular hobby. Mr. Kazi said, I have a surprise for all of you. Everybody looked anxious. Let's have an exhibition at school and let everybody bring his own collection. Salim, you will bring your stamps, will you? Yes, sir. said Salim. Now focus on translation. Mr. Kazi said, Mr. Kazi ने कहा, yes, हाँ, you, तुम, are right, ठीक कह रहे हो. मिस्टर काजी ने कहा, हाँ तुम ठीक कह रहे हो. देयर वॉज नो, ना था. स्टॉल, स्टॉल ऑफ स्टैम्प्स, टिकटों का. देयर, वहाँ. मिस्टर काजी, हाँ तुम ठीक कह रहे हो, वहाँ टिकटों का कोई स्टॉल न था. इट, ये, इज़ अ वेरी पॉपुलर हॉबी, एक मशहूर मशगला है. ये एक मशहूर मशगला है. मिस्टर काजी सैड, मिस्टर काजी ने कहा, आई हैव, मेरे पास है. अ सरप्राइज, एक हैरान कुन खबर. फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू, आप सबके लिए. मिस्टर काजी ने कहा, मेरे पास आप सबके लिए एक हैरान कुन खबर है. एवरीबॉडी, हर कोई. लुक्ड, नजर आया. एंशियस, बेचैन, हर कोई बेचैन नजर आया. लेट्स, चलो. हैव एन एग्जीबिशन, नुमाइश लगाते हैं. एट स्कूल, स्कूल में. चलो स्कूल में नुमाइश लगाते हैं. एंड, और. लेट एवरीबॉडी, हर कोई. ब्रिंग, लेकर आए. हिज ओन, अपना. कलेक्शन, ज़ख़ीरा, और हर कोई अपना ज़ख़ीरा लेकर आए. सलीम, सलीम. यू विल ब्रिंग, तुम लेकर आओगे. योर, अपनी. स्टैम्प्स, टिकटें. सलीम, तुम अपनी टिकटें लेकर आओगे. विल यू, क्या तुम लाओगे. यस, जी हाँ. सर, जनाब. सेड, कहा. सलीम, सलीम ने. क्या तुम लाओगे. जी हाँ जनाब, सलीम ने कहा. Now we shall do application for sick leave. Here is application in front of you. Focus on first line. The headmistress. T will be capital of the. H will be capital of headmistress. After headmistress you will put comma. Okay, the headmistress. Boys will write the headmaster, comma. Then on the next line you will write govt dot. This is not full spellings of government, so you will put dot after it and you will write G capital govt dot. Then girls, G capital, high, H capital, school, S capital. After school you will put comma. Then on the next line A capital dot, B capital dot, C capital dot. Then on the next line you will write respected madam, R capital of respected, M capital of madam. After madam you will put comma. Boys will write respected sir. Then respectfully, which means with respect, comma, it is stated that I have been suffering. Suffering mean physical or mental pain that person is feeling. Okay, from fever since yesterday. My doctor has advised me complete rest for 3 days. So, comma, I cannot attend the school for this period. Period mean a length of time. Then on the next line you will write kindly grant me leave for 3 days. I shall be grateful. Grateful means showing thanks to you for this favor. Then on the next line you will write yours obediently. Y will be capital of yours and O will be small of obediently. After obediently you will put comma. Then on the next line X capital dot, Y capital dot, Z capital dot. Then on the next line you will write today's date, that is 7th April. You will write 7 and TH, then April full spelling and A will be capital. After April you will put comma. Then 2021. After 2021 you will not put full stop according to the new method. Now we shall do essay my last day at school. Here is the essay my last day at school. The first and last day at school are of unique significance for students. While the first day at school may cause anxiety, fear and nervousness, The last day is surely a day of hope, confidence, and preparedness. In the storehouse of my memories, my last day at school occupies a prominent position. I can never forget the day when I left the school. Those happy hours and noisy laughters still haunt my memory, and perhaps the memories of the day will always be fresh in my mind. All the fellows were full of high hopes about the examination. My own feelings at that time were a mixture of joy and sadness. I had worked hard throughout the year and I was sure of getting high marks in the final examination. The thought that now I was nearer my goal made me happy and excited. But at the same time, I was feeling sad because I was leaving my friends and school. So, in this mixed mood of joy and sadness, I went to school. The school was closed, but there was a great hustle and bustle of high class students. The students were free from school discipline. They were walking and talking leisurely. All the students were looking relaxed. Our juniors of ninth class hosted us a farewell party and entertained us to a variety of dishes. Our worthy principal and kind teachers also participated in that party. Formal, formal farewell speeches were made on the occasion. Some skits and parodies were also presented by the students to delight the audience. Finally, the principal addressed the gathering and advised the students to work hard and be well mannered to succeed and prosper in life. I had spent many happy years in this school. Now I was leaving the school. I felt a touch of grief. My eyes were slightly wet. Tears from the depth of some divine despair rise in the heart and gather to eyes in looking on the happy autumn fields and thinking of the days that are no more. Before dispersing, we embraced our juniors and thanked them for their nice farewell. At that time, my heart declared, "Farewell, my friends, farewell, my foes. My peace with these, my love with those." Even the last day at school had also ended. Now, this is your home task. I hope that you have understood all the topics we have discussed in this lecture. Now I am signing out. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.